In this video, we are going to review creating pages and utilizing different sections to build out the content on your page. After entering in the title and optional subtitle, you are able to click into background and teaser content. Here you have the option to apply a background image or a background video by placing in the video URL. This media will display as a background banner for the title portion of the page. In addition, you can apply background text and a background link that will also display in that banner area. From here, you can begin building out the content of your page. Here we'll go ahead and click Add Content Section, and then you can select which section you wish to utilize. Here you'll note that they are categorized by text, media, files and links, call to action, and other. All of these content sections are housed on a demonstration page on your site. If you travel to /demonstration, you will be able to see examples of all of these different content sections. Here we have our text content sections, with the first being our text one. I do want to highlight here that we do have the H tags listed out for reference. Here we have slideshow right with the link area, slideshow right with video, slideshow left, and slideshow left with video. Next is the accordion or the click to expand option. Here we do have a place for an optional title and link area as needed. For the media content sections, first we have slideshow, which is a full width slideshow of image and video. Next, we have a full width image and a full width video. Next, for image gallery, I do want to note that you are not restricted to only 6 images. As you enter in more images, it will begin to start a second row and it will continue on for a gallery display. The same applies to video gallery. Next, we have an audio file. And finally, we have a carousel gallery. For files and links, we have a file upload section, links, full screen banner. For the full screen banner, you do have the option to apply a solid background color like we utilized on the home page, or you can apply a background image or video. You also have the option to have a link and file in this area, or you can display one of those options. Here we have carousel with corresponding link, an advanced image gallery. For the call to action sections, here we have call to action with the image on the right. This call to action section will have an area where you can select if you want the image to appear on the right hand side, on the left hand side, or if you wish to not apply any image. Next, we have call to action with a button and image, an icon call to action area, and other. Here we have contact form and information, our tabbed navigation. Currently, we only have test content in under tab 1. You'll note for the remaining tabs that it continues on with the remaining content sections on the page. For the remaining sections, we have embed code, web form, and team members. I do want to highlight a few key items about these other content sections in this area. We'll travel to the edit portion and dive into these areas a bit deeper. This demonstration page, feel free to use this as a resource, and you can go in and make adjustments to any of these areas and do trial and error to see how that content displays. We will travel down now to the other portion, and the first area I want to highlight is tab navigation. When clicking into edit, the first portion that you'll see is the panel content. This panel content are the names of the different tabs, and you can add additional panel contents by clicking the button and from there entering in the title, and then you can proceed on with adding in that content specific to that tab. Currently, we only have placeholder information in for tab 1. When clicking into edit here, you will now note this tab content section pull in, and these are the content sections that we have utilized to build out that portion. You can add additional tab content by clicking add tabbed content, and then it will pull up your browse display here. You do have the option to rearrange the order of your tab content by clicking and dragging with the arrow cursor. You can do this as well with your panel content, and you can also do it with your main content section and rearrange the order as needed. For web form, currently there is only one web form that has been created on the site, that being the contact web form. If you have created an additional web form, after you have created that web form, it will pull into this form list, and therefore you can go ahead and pull in that specific form to any page on the site. For the team members, currently we have 2 placeholder team members created. Here, when entering in a name, a drop-down will appear and you can select that team member that you wish to pull in. To create a team member, travel to Content, Add Content, Individual, and then you'll complete the fields here as needed. Once that team member is published, then you can go ahead and select that team member from the drop-down. Traveling back now to the demonstration page, I do want to highlight this revisions tab. It also displays when you are in view mode as well. The revisions tab will appear whenever a revision has been made to that page. We can click into this area and revert back to a previous version as needed, and it will ask us to confirm that version there. If you have any questions about the content sections on the site, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.